Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 make-ahead Easter appetizers to take to any kind of Easter function you're going to. We just love picnics during Easter time and springtime. So these 3 appetizers are really great to take on the go, and you can make them ahead. You can serve them cold, which is awesome if you're going somewhere that doesn't have anywhere to heat anything up. These are perfect. They're all 3 going to be on a toothpick. So they're going to be just finger food, grab and go, awesome appetizers. And you guys know, if you've been around my channel, I love super easy recipes. So these all 3 are going to be really easy as well. So I'm going to get them all going. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Tons of healthy, easy, quick recipes, lunch preps, dinner, sheet pan meals, all the fun, easy meals that you guys, to give you some inspiration to do some easy cooking. I'm gonna get these 3 appetizers ready to go. Hope that you guys have a really great Easter coming up. Hope you're having an awesome spring, and I hope that you like these appetizers. So my first one's going to be beet salad on a stick, and all of these recipes are going to be on a toothpick, which is super fun for little finger foods. So I have all my ingredients, and I have all my toothpicks, everything ready to go. So for the beets, I got these beets that are already cooked, and they're so delicious. I love these on any kind of salad, and they're just really super convenient. I have my feta cheese, walnuts, arugula, and then I have my favorite balsamic glaze that I'm going to add on top. So I'm just going to assemble these, and they will be ready to go. And like I said, all of these are make-ahead appetizers, so really great. You can make them the day before so that you don't have to worry about being busy in the kitchen on Easter or any kind of holiday function that you want to be, more a part of with your friends and family. You can definitely make these ahead of time and just keep them in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready to go. So my beets, they are so good and already cooked and everything, so super easy. You guys know that all of my recipes are very simple and easy to follow along with on my videos. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification when I post new videos, lots of healthy meal prepping and make-ahead videos to give you guys some inspiration. So I'm going to get all these assembled up, and then this first appetizer will be all ready to go. These sausage and pineapple bites are a really big hit, you guys. Super simple. It is cooked sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you like. This is just a regular smoked sausage. And then I have a can of pineapple, so I'm going to put these on my toothpicks. And then I'm going to make a sauce to drizzle on top with some honey, soy sauce, balsamic, and some sesame oil also. So I'm going to first assemble the sausage and the pineapple on the toothpicks, then I'll make the sauce to put on there. Like I said, these are a huge hit with both adults and kids, so I always like things that my kids will also eat as well, and they really love these. So these are awesome for the whole family. One of my all-time favorite appetizer recipes is caprese, and this is so easy, you guys, so healthy. You know, most of the recipes on my channel are keto and low carb, and so I love to make these for a nice, healthy hors d'oeuvre or appetizer. And I love buying the mozzarella. They come in these pearls, so they're already in little balls. You don't have to worry about cutting the mozzarella or doing anything with it. So I have my mozzarella pearls and my cherry tomatoes, basil, and then I have my balsamic glaze again. So I'm going to assemble all these onto the toothpicks, and then I'll add the glaze on top. And these are super simple and so delicious, so healthy if you guys are looking for a nice healthy appetizer to take to a party where there's probably going to be like tons of chip and dip and heavy hors d'oeuvres. It's really nice to have this light one also to keep you on track if you're trying to be low carb or low calorie. These are awesome. And then these appetizers will be ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed these make ahead toothpick appetizers. I think toothpick appetizers are definitely the way to go. They are so convenient and so fun to have at a party. And you don't need to have a plate always. You can just kind of pick one up and go. And they're yummy and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed these. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope that you guys have a really great Easter. And check my channel for other easy recipes. I hope that you guys enjoy. And at the end of this video, I'll put a link to my last video of my Jell-O roll-ups. They are perfect for Easter also. So check that out after this video.